Now, going back to this walking footage here in clip 5, it is a little bit slow. I kind of want to move through this a bit faster by increasing the speed of the video. We're able to do that by going to the top here and clicking on speed. Now you can do both options, right? You can speed up your footage by taking the slider and moving it to the right. But if you have a video shot, let's say in 60 frames per second, 120 frames per second, whatever, you can slow it down and get that nice crispy slow-mo footage. In my case, I'll take the slider and move it to about, we'll say 1.15. You'll see on the timeline here, it says 1.15x, which means that it's been sped up. If I go back and press play, now I'm walking just a little bit quicker through the footage. And then if you don't want to use the slider, you can set the time of the clip here. Let's say for some reason this clip had to be 1.5 seconds long. If I click the down arrow, I can set it to 1.5 seconds. And now my video has been sped up even more.